Brockbuilt is building a very exciting new community in East Atlanta, and this is Glen Air. We're in one of their completed homes right now with Ansley Brooks. Ansley, it's very exciting what's going on here. You have a lot of contracts, I understand.
Yes, Susie. One of the main factors of our success here at Glen Air is the great location. You're just seconds off of I-20. You're walking distance from the East Atlanta Village. You're minutes from Edgewood, Kirkwood, Grant Park, Glenwood Park, and Eastlake Village. Another great thing about Glen Air is you get so much space for your money here. In the East Atlanta area, you have a lot of small remodeled bungalows. However, we've incorporated that East Atlanta bungalow feel with our craftsman style homes, but we have square footages ranging from 2,000 square feet up to 2,700 square feet. We have homes on full unfinished basements as well as slabs, and most of our homes feature an unfinished third floor walk-up retreat, which really gives you the space to grow. Currently, we have 2 basement homes available. We have our Azalea home priced at $379,900, which is an absolutely breathtaking floor plan. It's 4 bedroom, 3.5 bath on a full unfinished basement that's approximately about 1,000 square feet, so tons of space. We also have our Kinney floor plan on lot 13 priced at $359,900. This home is a very open floor plan as well, a huge lot. This home also is on an unfinished basement as well as an unfinished third floor walk-up, so tons of space in this house.
And Ansley, I noticed this has beautiful features, this home. So tell us about some of the features that we would find in all of the homes here.
Yes, Susie, all the homes, everything from the exterior with a combination of stone, brick, James Hardie siding, and shake, as well as cedar shake, to the beautiful interior features with hardwood floors on the main, beautiful trim packages located throughout. All of our kitchens are very open with 42-inch maple cabinetry, granite countertops, designer backsplash, Moen plumbing fixtures. And on the second floor of our homes, they are all spaciously designed with oversized master bedrooms, bathrooms, as well as tons of closet space. And all of our homes here at Glen Air do have a 1-year builder warranty, 2-year mechanical warranty, and a 10-year structural warranty. And also, we do include the keyless Nexia system. And we also look for a successful 2014. We're starting off the new year with a bang with 2 new floor plans being introduced at Glen Air. And again, the price is starting from the high 2s.
That is so exciting, Ansley. Congratulations on all the activity you've had. So let our viewers know how they can see Glen Air.
Sure. You can give me a call at 770-301-6690. You can also visit us on the web at brockbuilt.com. So be sure to come out and visit me here at Glen Air, where you will experience life plus style.